Now, if you see this specific issues page, this issue, it has a PR that's raised. If you look at it, no alert index has been found for account this. Now, what has it done here? It understood the error in a much more deeper fashion. Like, what would I do as a human, right? Like, I get this alert. The first thing I typically end up doing if I did not use Dr. Droid is I would jump to Sentry and I would try to look into the data here. Okay, what is the alert that came up? What is the impact here? It's gone and done that completely. After that, so it's actually queried the logs for pod racer service, and then it went in and checked the recent commits. Oh, that's how it knows that this deployment was actually released on 4th November. This is a feature that was released on 4th November. Then to actually investigate or analyze the code, first it went in and analyzed the code in the repository. That's what I would do, right? Okay, I saw the exception. Now I saw the release. I would jump to cursor. After jumping to cursor, I would go into analyzing, okay, how did this error actually propagate or come in? Now it ended up doing that a couple of times. Now it's saying, why did it do that? So I can read the prompt on why did it enter into the code. The first time it entered into the code because it wanted to understand the context of where this error is coming from and why is it coming. The second time it went, it said continue the analysis. Now examine in this specific file. Now that it identified that, it went into looking into the specific file. Now once it understood both of those, that's when it actually decided that, hey, now go in and fix the alert, and these are the changes that you need to do. Now it actually even gave in, like, what files should it modify and what function should it edit. Now this recommendation was actually given by the previous analysis that it did. So if we look at this in this single investigation that has happened here, before it raised the PR, this is exactly what I would do as a human, right? So this is the third situation that we're talking about here. Alert comes in, exception came in, looked into the stack trace first, which is what Sentry provided me, then looked into logs for more related logs, and then what did it do? Then it went in into, let's look at it again. Yes, then it went in into analyzing the GitHub commits. The GitHub commits actually helped it to understand, okay, what is the recent merges that have happened, what are the recent commits that have happened, and then it went into analyzing the code. So effectively, it looked into logs, it looked into traces, the stack trace, and the GitHub, first the commit and then the actual code. So commit was a representative of the deployments and then the code analysis. As you can see here, this is the PR that was read. Right? Will it create any runbook and reference it in next investigations? That's a great question. Yes, it does, because the agent is basically gotten its own recommendation. So what it does is it creates a daily report saying